Bresenham's line drawing algorithm is attractive because it uses real arithmetic only, integer arithmetic only, complex arithmetic only, and real and integer arithmetic. So actually, if you consider this Bresenham's line drawing algorithm, it deals with only integer arithmetic. So that's why we're having more benefits to work with this, and it is very much attractive for us. Because CPUs used to use integer registers to generate memory addresses from where we can read data or on which you can write data. So let us suppose there is one address which has been written, say 4000H, which has been written on one CPU register. So let it be one CPU register. So you see here these addresses are always of type integer. So from this address either you can perform memory read or you can perform memory write. So that means for the integer CPU registers we can perform memory read and memory write operations, keeping the target or the source memory locations address in this integer CPU array. So keeping the line drawing in integer registers means that we avoid the overhead of copying from other registers into integer registers to generate the memory addresses to write pixels during the line drawing algorithm. So that's why our choice will be integer arithmetic only, and we'll be going for this option number B.